plus Followers Unfollowers. So this is one of the top apps in this category. So let's just install it and see how it works. So you can see 120,000 ratings. So there are a bunch of like similar apps to discover to use this app. This is developed by Gop apps. But yeah, this is like ultimate profile tracker app to find out your profile interactions, viewers and followers, ghost followers, secret admirers, fans, and many others. Guess the most accurate and powerful Instagram analytics tool now. Maximize the potential of your Instagram account with our real-time analytics and actionable insights. Fine-tune your content strategy and boost your audience growth today. There are more than 50 metrics to track your Instagram. It's all because Instagram has its own analytics, but it's not that advanced. And if you have a lot of followers or you just want to figure out some details about your personal interactions or your Instagram influencer or you run your business on Instagram, some of these metrics can be crucial for you. So you can see some story insights, secret admirers, ghost followers, post-performance analytics, like all of these things. And then, yeah, you can just tap open. And then you need to, okay, you can see there are terms of service. And then you can just tap login with Instagram. And then you will just need to use a login account and log in with your Instagram.